Hello students, we have read about algebraic identity fifth, which is a plus b plus c whole square. It is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now here I have taken factorize 81x square plus 4y square plus z square plus 36xy plus 4yz plus 18xz. Now here 18x square can be written as 9x whole square plus, as it is, this 4y square can be written as 2y whole square plus this z square can be written as z whole square plus this 36xy can be converted in terms of 2 times first into second. This 4yz can be written as 2 times second into third. And this 18xz can be written as 2 times third into first. Now you can observe which form is this. This is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. We know where here a is 9x, b is 2y and c is z. So it is turning out to be the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. It is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So it will be equal to 9x plus 2y plus z whole square. So this can be written twice. 9x plus 2y plus z into 9x plus 2y plus z. This is the answer. See how to observe which form is this. Remember, whenever there are 6 terms and out of those 6 terms 3 are perfect squares. Whenever we are having 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out of those 6 terms 3 terms are perfect squares, then there is a possibility that we can use this algebraic identity. Let's take one more example. 25a square plus 16b square plus 4c square plus 40ab minus 16bc minus 20ca. Here we have 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out of these 6 terms 3 are perfect squares. That means we can easily use a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Easily we can use this identity here. Now this 25a square can be written as 5a whole square plus, as it is, 16b square can be written as 4b whole square plus 4c whole square can be written, 4c square can be written as 2c whole square plus 2 into first into second. Let's recheck if we are going right or wrong. 2 into 5, 10. 10 fours are 40. A into B, AB. This becomes plus 40 AB, which was originally in the question. Now let's see this. We can write 2 into second into third. This becomes 2 into 4, 8. 8 twos are 16. B into C, BC. This term becomes plus 16 BC, but here in the question it was minus 16 BC. That means we are doing something wrong here. We know this is the form of 2B into C. That means either B or C is negative, because if B or C, one of it is negative, then only overall sign will become negative. Now let's consider B as negative. If b is negative, then here also we need to put a negative sign, then here also negative sign will come. Now let's check here. If we are taking b as negative, then this term will become negative. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 4, 40. Minus is there, so minus 40 AB will come. But in the question it is plus 40 AB. That means we are doing wrong again. B is not negative, B is positive. Let's try C as negative here. If we are taking C as negative, we'll put a minus sign here. Nothing will happen to this. This is fine. This is also fine. And here also we are going right, because this is turning out to be minus 16 BC. That means till now we have taken C as negative. Now last would be 2 into C into A. That means 2 into this term into this term, because it is 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Let's check if we are going right or wrong. 2 into 2 into 5, 20. Minus is there, C into A, CA. That means this becomes minus 20 CA, and this was originally in the question. That means we have done right. Now this is the form of A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. It is of the form A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, which is equal to A plus B plus C whole square. So this will be equal to A, that means 5A, plus B, which is 4B, plus C. C is minus 2C whole square. This can be written twice. 5A plus 4B minus 2C into 5A plus 4B minus 2C. This is the answer. Now let's consider one more example. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. This 2x square can be written as root 2x whole square, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 whole square, and x can be written as x square. So 2x square can be written as root 2x whole square, plus y square can be written as y whole square, plus 8z square can be written as, see, it's 8z square. We can write it as root 8z whole square, because root 8 into root 8 is 8. Z square as it is. Now see, this root 8z square can be written as, we know 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So this can be written as 2 root 2z whole square. I have simply substituted 2 root 2 in place of root 8. So this can be written as 2 root 2z whole square, plus this is the form of a square plus b square plus c square. This should be the form of, C. I'll write here. This should be the form of a square. This should be the form of b square. This should be the form of c square. 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Now here this becomes 2 into ab. That means root 2x into y. Let's check if we are going right or wrong. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. X into y, xy. So this becomes plus 2 root 2 xy. But in the question we have minus 2 root 2 xy. That means we are doing something wrong here. Overall sign is negative. That means either A or B. Either A or B should be negative. Let's consider A as negative first. If we are taking A as negative, this would also become negative. There would be no effect on this A square. And if we are taking negative here, this term becomes minus 2 root 2 xy. Let's take the second one. it should be 2bc. That means 2 into y into 2 root 2 z. Now 2 into 2 is 4 into root 2 into yz. It becomes 4 root 2 yz, which was originally in the question. That means we are going right till here. Let's take the third one. It becomes 2ca. That means 2 into 2 root 2 z into minus root 2 x. Let's multiply. Let's check if we are going right or wrong. This is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. So this becomes minus 8zx or minus 8xz. Now this has turned out to be the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That means this will be equal to minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square, which is equal to minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. This can be written twice. This is the answer. You can also get the answer as root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z into root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z. If you are taking a as positive, b as negative and c as negative, then also you can get the answer. You can have this answer also.